Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So yesterday we have seen the CSS property, that is a color property we have seen. So now today we will see on that color property we have seen only the RGB. Okay, so now today we will see about the what is the hexa. Okay, hexa value. So how can we give the hexa values? Okay. So on yesterday we have seen the how to apply the color property using the RGB. Okay. So today we will see on the hexa. Okay. So hexa value, how can we add the hexa value? Okay. So if I want to use the hexa value, okay, so I have to use the hash. Okay. So hash, some value I have to give. So that value is alphanumeric values. Okay, so what kind of alphanumeric? So it means it is not like A to Z we have to add it. So from the A to F only I can add the values. Okay, and 0 to 9 I can add the numbers. Okay, so here from A to F only the alphabet value and 0 to 9 is a number value. Okay, so what I'll do here, if I give the F, okay, FF for the red, FF for the green, FF for the blue. Okay, so the value for the green and blue and also red is a FF. Okay, so if I go with everything similar means as I mentioned in the previous video, so if I give the all the values similar, okay, then it will give the white. Okay, or it might give the what? Shades of gray. Okay, so now if I go with FE, okay, FE, FE, okay, again FE or okay, FE and FE. So if I give this one, it is again giving some kind of shade of that gray, okay, so but not exactly a gray shade, but it is coming in the white, in between the white, okay. So if I give the value like F3, okay, 4, 5 and EF like this if I give some different color it will give. Okay. So you can give any kind of like using these values you can create your own values. Okay. So that is what the here like RGB or hexa value and HSL value it will come. Okay. So you can see that to this website. Okay. So 1 minute. You can see this color is applied here. So I hope this color property is very useful for you to understand what is a hexa value, how to apply the hexa value. Okay. So in the next video we will see about the HSL, how to apply the HSL. Okay. So till then, so if you have any doubts, you can like comment it out. Okay. So, and if you like this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.